charges the accused persons are facing, and I'm also mindful of the flow of the procedure under the law of cases that can be reconciled upon. I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for possible withdrawal under the provisions of Section 121 of the MC. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode, and whether, if released, they will be able to return. 2 is whether the accused persons are provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by the state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. X2 presented his sister, biological, and 2 friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. We are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused person. I find the sureties for X2 also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality, that is within matching the division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail. However, considering the nature of the case the accused persons are facing, I am putting the following conditions of the accused persons as guide 1. Conditions for bail is 1, each of the accused persons are released on first bail of 1 million. 2, the sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, not non-part. 3, the accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4, the accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media. And such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter of confirmation, continue to January. That's ample time to conclude the processes.
ensonga ya bailo koti egambye nti webangera okweyimirirwa etunuulira nti avunaanibwa alina ekifo ekyenkalakkalira mwabeera ajja kusobola okudda mu kooti olunaku lwaba yeetaagibwa nga n'abalima baleese bagwanidde. Avunaanibwa asooka yaleeta maama we ng'omulima, mukwano gwe ne muganda we omuwali wa gavumenti eyawakanya balima abo era kooti nayo ekizudde baali bagwanidde okweyimirira. Obuvunaanibwa obwokubiri yaleeta mwennyina n'emikwano gy'ebiri newankubadde gwe muwali wa gavumenti yawakanya abalima bano ababiri. Kooti yeekizudde nti bano babadde emikwano gy'okumala ebbanga ddene era nekizuula nti bagwanidde era baali bamanyi obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'emirimu gyabwe gye balina okukola, ate era nga batuuze b'omu kitundu kino n'avunaanibwa gy'abeera nti basobola okukola omulimu gwabwe. Kooti ekkiriza okusaba okweyimirirwa okwakkuliza buno wammanga okusinziira ku kika ky'omusango gubavunaanibwa. Buli avunaanibwa agenda kusasula akakadde kamu obuliwo ababeeyimirira buli omu ajja kusasula obukadde 5 singa abantu bano babula ne batanira okusasula gavumenti ya Uganda buli omu bano okwatibwa. Basabiddwa obutafuluma ggwanga, oyo yenna ayagala okufuluma eggwanga alina okusooka okusaba olukusa b'eri kooti. Basabiddwa obutalumbagana babavunaana mu ngeri yonna oba ku mitimbagano oba gye babeera singa ekyo kooti enakizuula wadde gye bakolera temukkirizibwa ku lubalumba singa kooti ena yakizuula okweyimirwa kwamwe kujjasazibwamu. Obukwakulizo obwo nga bumaze okubutuukiriza omusango gujja kudda mu kooti nga 13 January omwaka omujja. Mwana Patrick alias